If
Right.
we are talking about physical health, that we can see in health checkups which we do regularly. And these days, because we find many diseases in youngsters, from lifestyle diseases to various types of cancer also. And since this is a cancer awareness, I would not talk about the other lifestyle diseases which should also be taken into account. But now we see breast cancer in as young as 25, 27, 28, which is a very young age. So this awareness about the self breast examination and mammography, if not mammography or sonography of the breast for the young girls, plus mammography at a later age, plus the sexual activity in young generation is very high now. Even 16, 18-year-old girl in India also, we see a lot of sexual activity. So we are nobody to judge. It is their life. But we have to make them sexually aware about the various sexually transmitted diseases which can land them in trouble later. So this type of thing, when we are talking about in young girls, this awareness, I think we should start with sex education and sexually transmitted disease awareness in young girls in school also. Even the boys have to be aware about this, because sexual activity in girls cannot be by a girl alone. There has to be a partner. So we see various things from school age, from 15, 17, 18, in college life, we see lot of sexual activity. So if this awareness should start, I think, from school age. We usually do awareness in girls aged about 25, 30. What about the younger age group? If we start these awareness sessions, like if you all can do this in school, or if I can help anyway in the sex education and sexual education with all sexual activity, what are various types of things, they don't know, they have half knowledge, or whatever is there on the net. Everybody has good data pack. They can see everything on the net. So they have, nowadays ignorance is not bliss. Over education is the thing which is causing the problem. So younger generation wants to try everything. And this can land them in trouble. Unwanted pregnancies to multiple partners in sex, which can land them with sexually transmitted disease, or more sexual activity can land them with cervical cancers at a younger age. Multiple partners and early menarche, when they get periods early, they are not aware what is the problem. Late menopause, all these things add to the, for detection, all these things are important to us. This history from a girl is very important. Normally they are scared, shy, or they want to hide the history. So we have to be very open about it, and we should be such that we can share their, for them it is secret, for us it is history. So somehow we have to talk to them, coax them, and this history has to come out. Okay, what is the problem? What has made them come to their family doctor? Like I am a family physician. I am practicing for last 30, 35 years. I have treated the parents, I have treated the son and daughter. Now they are married. I have treated their sons, and now I am seeing the fourth generation in my 35 years of practice. So they were 60, now they are 80. So the people who were my age, now we are together at 50, 55, 58 age, and I'm seeing their sons. So I know these girls, but many other students who are there in schools and colleges are not aware about many things. Whatever they see from, so we have to start from the grassroots level, school, college level. Awareness has to come from there. If suppose we make them aware, they will take this message home to their parents and their mothers who are scared and shy. Breast and genitals are the things which we are not spoken in our family till date. We are very shy to talk to our kids also. We are not aware, we are not open about the sex and the sexual organs with our children. So we have to learn this, and if we give this message from the school age, they will get home, their parents, their grandparents, they are not suffering, so they will come out with it. Okay, I have this problem, my child is aware, so she has, मम्मी आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम है क्या, आपको ऐसा होता है क्या, हमको स्कूल में ऐसा बताया है, we have been told in school this is the thing. So awareness will spread more. When we do only for ladies, it is them. When we go from the grassroots level, it goes faster, because they will talk to their friends mother, mother say grandmother, so it goes on. So that is what we want. I think awareness about the woman health, breast cancer, cervical cancers, uterine cancer, male cancers, whatever cancers, these are just multiplication of the cells which they don't understand, and there are various factors to it. So we have to start somewhere, and that somewhere I think should be at school level or at least college level. Sex education to them, and making them aware this is not the done thing, it is your life, but take life easy and think before you jump into something. Experience is good. Same goes for tobacco, which is the biggest reason for oral cancers. We see lots in young girls, so smoking, alcohol is so common in girls these days. 16, 18 years, 20-year-old girl, though they are not allowed in the bars and pubs, but they can smoke outside. It is available. Their boyfriends have it, so they also have it. If he can, why can't me? And that is taking the toll on the woman's health, because the woman is not made. Nobody should smoke. I am not promoting alcoholism or tobacco, but still, males do. Women just joins for the fun of it, and then they can be addicted to it, and that can cause more problems for their general health and general growth of the sexual organs also. Same is for alcohol. It can affect their fertility. Tobacco can affect the fertility later on in life. That is why we such a lot of IVF centers, because they marry late, they are more into their profession, they marry late, they want the kid late, and then it becomes very late. So then it is always assisted pregnancies. And these habits, lifestyle diseases and lifestyle habits are harmful to them. So we have to start somewhere, and it should be at the grassroots. That is what is my take on it. See, they form habits at 18, 20, 25 when their change is there, puberty change, and they are growing up. So they are seeing themselves change in their body. So they are inquisitive. They want to know things which is there on the net, and there on they can find many things which they should not know, but they know at early age. They want to try whether it is a puff of a cigarette, or it is brown sugar, or it is ecstasy, or meow meow, or whatever. They want to try everything. So they want to try sex also. They want to try feeling of everything. So that causes the problem. When it starts from there, stopping is difficult. And then we come to the detection when we see them coming together. Okay, ma'am, there is a problem with her. There is a lump somewhere to be found, which could be a simple fibroadenoma. All lumps are not cancer. All the breast lumps are not cancer. Many a times it is just growing up. When the breast is young, you can feel some lumps in it. But in a way, it is good because they come to us to show it. Many don't come, and they'll end up with trouble. So if they are aware about it, what they have to look in the changes which occurs on their body, the discharge come out of the body from all the places wherever it can come out. And if they are aware about it, we can help them earlier. So habits are very important. Lifestyle is very important. Opening up to the doctor is the next important. They should not go for window shopping. They should not go by whatever is written. They will find a shady doctor somewhere कि वो घर में they will not घर पे नहीं बताएंगे हम लोग. So they will go to some other place. There can be a shady doctor who can take them right. See, all types of people are there. Everybody, they don't see the degree. They just go जहाँ पे इलाज होता है. हम yeah, we take care of hidden diseases. The boards are very good in India. If you see, such boards are very there. So you have to be very careful. They have to be aware whom to go to. A proper person is very important for the diagnosis part. First is opening up, then the taking care, examining, and then proper channel where they have to go to an oncologist or a general physician, or wherever they have to go. The road they have to travel alone, but we can guide them properly. That is how it goes.